Top 10 health benefits of sweet corn. Sweet corn, a popular summer vegetable, is not only delicious but also offers various health benefits due to its nutrient content. Here are 10 potential health benefits of consuming sweet corn. 1. Rich in nutrients. Sweet corn is a good source of essential nutrients, including dietary fiber, vitamins, such as vitamin C, vitamin B6, and folate, and minerals, like potassium and manganese. 2. Digestive health. The dietary fiber in sweet corn supports healthy digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. 3. Eye health. Sweet corn contains antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. 4. Heart health. The fiber and potassium in sweet corn can help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 5. Blood sugar control. Despite its natural sweetness, sweet corn has a moderate glycemic index, making it a suitable choice for blood sugar control. 6. Weight management. Sweet corn is filling and can help control appetite, making it a valuable addition to weight management diets. 7. Antioxidant properties. Sweet corn is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect cells from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 8. Immune support. The vitamin C and other antioxidants in sweet corn boost the immune system, helping the body defend against infections and illnesses. 9. Skin health. Vitamin C in sweet corn promotes collagen production, contributing to healthy and youthful-looking skin. 10. Energy boost. The carbohydrates in sweet corn provide a quick and sustainable source of energy, making it an ideal choice for active individuals. To maximize the health benefits of sweet corn, consider cooking it in ways that retain its nutritional value, such as steaming or grilling, rather than boiling, which may cause nutrient loss. It's also important to balance your diet with a variety of nutrient-rich foods for overall health and well-being. If you have specific health conditions or dietary concerns, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized guidance on incorporating sweet corn into your diet.